In the run-up to the Maharashtra elections, the rift within the ruling Mahayuti is now getting bigger and more evident with every passing day. NCP's Ajit Pawar, who is also the Deputy Chief Minister in the Shinde government, was met with black flags during his yatra in Pune yesterday. A group of people, who also included those carrying BJP flags, criticized the NCP leader for taking credit of the Ladli Behna scheme, also sidelining alliance partners. This is the allegation that is being levelled against Ajit Pawar. Now, the behaviour of the BJP workers has prompted the NCP to seek a clarification from the other Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Devendra Fadnavis. Now, the unrest in Mahayuti cadre has given fodder to the opposition MVA to attack the ruling BJP. Now, both the NCP, Sharad Pawar camp and the Shiv Sena Uddhav camp have said that the protest against Ajit Pawar by the BJP workers is a proof that Mahayuti is a divided house which is not sure about what it wants to do in the assembly elections and it is sure to face defeat. The BJP, on the other hand, claims that everything is fine in the alliance and the MVA is unnecessarily trying to create a rift.
तीन नेता अलग अलग दिशा में जा रहे हैं। देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी की अलग दिशा है, अजीत दादा पवार अलग दिशा, एकनाथ शिंदे जी की कथित शिवसेना अलग दिशा में। तो जनता त्राही त्राही कर रही है और ये आपस में ही लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। इनके कार्यकर्ता एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखाना चाहते हैं, श्रेय लेने की होड़ लगी हुई है कि हम कैसे इसका लाभ उठा लें, हम कैसे इसमें ज्यादा वोट पा लें। लेकिन महाराष्ट्र की जनता सब देख रही है, इनको विधानसभा में सबक सिखाएगी क्योंकि इनकी जुमलेबाजी कहीं काम नहीं आने वाली।
Some time ago, BJP workers asked the BJP leaders as to why they went along with Mr. Ajit Pawar. Yesterday, at a program organized for the Ladki Behan Yojana, BJP workers protested against Mr. Ajit Pawar because there was no photograph of Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. It all shows that the Mahayuti partners are in trouble. They do not get along with each other. In times to come, this is going to be the picture and looks like there's a fallout in the horizon.
My colleague Abhishek joins us on the broadcast from Mumbai to get us more details about what's happening here. Abhishek, now the BJP, the NCP, Ajit Pawar faction and Shinde faction could claim that everything is fine in their alliance, but ever since Ajit Pawar has been a partner in this particular alliance, we've seen time and again some or the other sort of a difference crop up, and looks like even with the elections now almost in the offing, the issues between these partners, alliance partners and their cadre don't seem to end.
Definitely, and it is clearly evident in those visuals from yesterday where the BJP party workers, along with holding the BJP flag and black flags, were seen protesting outside of the venue, wherein a mega event was planned by Ajit Pawar and his camp for, enhancing or giving out the importance of the Ladki Behan scheme. And remember, 1,500 rupees is been given to the sisters across the state of Maharashtra, eligible sisters, and already, which the government is claiming that 2 installment, 3,000 rupees have already gone into their account. So definitely, it seems to be like the credit war going on between the 3 partners of Mahayuti. We see Ajit Pawar doing his yatra, at the same time Chief Minister Eknath Shinde doing promotion of the scheme at another event, and also Devendra Fadnavis, who is tying Rakhi and promoting the scheme. So definitely this kind of protest has raised question, but on the other side, MVA is attacking, but BJP is defending, telling that this shouldn't have been happened and anything and everything can be discussed at a particular forum, and this would not happen again, and all is well in Mahayuti. But definitely, as the run-up to elections are there for assembly, these kinds of visuals and the protests which are erupting within the 3 alliance partner, and on top of that, Amol Mitkari demanding an explanation from Devendra Fadnavis, is definitely says that all is not well in Mahayuti and is giving the Maha Vikas Aghadi a clean pitch to attack the ruling government in the state.